Everything in life, from the people that you meet, the experience that you have, is trying to teach you something. It's trying to get you somewhere. It's trying to get you from where you are to where you want to be. And by the want to be, it's the way that you align your thoughts. Where you think you should be, that's why these events are coming into your life and are causing you to experience what you are experiencing. That's why you meet the people that you meet. That's why you go through the experiences that you go through. Is to get you to where you want to be. Now, why would that make sense? It's because the universe always works in your favor. It is not you. It's not the universe working against you. It's the universe working for you. Everything is working in your favor and how it should work out according to the way that you want your life to go. Now, why would that even make sense? Why would life give us so many experiences and not just give us the end result? Well, think about this. I have a snail, okay? My snail, if I tried to explain him what I do at work, if I sat down and I tried to tell my snail what I do at work, how would my snail respond? Well, he wouldn't understand because he doesn't understand English. There are forces beneath our understanding. Things that we can't understand, even if we tried to. We would have to leave this 3D dimension to understand that could tell us exactly why things happen. And when we would see that, we would understand why things go the way that they do. But since we don't see that, since we're three-dimensional beings, and since we're stuck in here, we don't see that. And we just have to blindly assume that life will work in our favor. Tell me one thing that hasn't worked in your favor. And then you'll see that I mean blindly as a sarcastic comment. That things actually do work out in your favor. That it's not that maybe it'll work out, maybe it won't. Well, it does. It always does. And the people that come in, they'll teach you something. Even if they don't stay for long, they weren't meant to stay for long because that's not how it goes. You don't get to, well, you can pick and choose, but you're not getting to your goal then. Then you're playing with different scenarios instead of playing with where you want to be. So it's up to you to decide. Do you want to be where you want to be? Or do you want to keep complaining? Like, if you want to be where you want to be, let life take you to where you want to be. Let life give you the experiences, let life give you the people, and let life give you the opportunity to bring you to where you want to be. And you'll be where you want to be. Exactly where you want to be. You can accomplish all your goals by just following life and playing along with it. So I love you. Take care. Bye.